Hey guys, it's Brian again with another portable fan video. What I have for you here is a 14-inch Kmart box fan made by Lakewood. It's a 3-speed. It's got the plastic grills, kind of a robin's egg baby blue paint job. You can see the Kmart tag where the switch is. It's in pretty good shape. You know, it's got a couple little spots of surface rust and chip paint, but other than that, it runs great. Unfortunately, because these grills get so brittle, there's a few slats missing, but really other than that, it's a really nice little fan. This one came from Nate Girding. Picked this up from his home in Toledo. And I believe this one to be from the early to mid 1970s. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but there's the motor tag. It's a Lakewood motor. It's been pretty well taken care of its whole life. You know, I mean, it's in about as good a shape as you can expect for a fan of this age. One little bow here in the plastic of the back grill. I may actually swap the front and back grills, just because this one doesn't seem to be missing any slats. This is the first of the 14-inch Lakewood box fans that I've acquired. Most of the ones I've gotten that were smaller were the 12-inch ones. So let's go ahead and we'll fire this up, starting with high. Moving a ton of air. Just like a Lakewood box fan should be. It does have a bit of vibration, so it's moving around a little bit. Another thing I wanted to show you is it does have the original plastic feet on it, which is kind of cool. Medium. Not much of a difference between high and medium. And low. Low is a little bit quieter. It's definitely something I could use in a window. It's really not obnoxiously loud or anything. And off. Obviously, Nate has taken very good care of this fan. He's put oil in it and serviced it. I'll go ahead and give you a clip of the startup sound. I know you guys like these. So there you have it. That's the 14-inch Kmart 3-speed box fan made by Lakewood. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.